Welcome back, gang. So now what I want to do is add a notification, a toast notification in this right hand corner when we send a request or when we do different things throughout the app. But for what we have set up right now, we'll just be using it to when a user sends a friend request, denies a friend request, all of our friend functionalities, and later on we'll be using it for posts and things like that. So how I want to set that up is I want to use Sweet Alert 2, and it's a nice little package that I've been playing around with. I've used it a couple times before, but I wanted to use it as part of this. So the difference between Sweet Alert and a regular alert is that this is a regular alert, which it's functional, but it just doesn't look as good. So with Sweet Alert, your alert would look more like that. It'd have a little animation, and then you wouldn't even have to deal with the code. It just does it for you, and you can just configure it however you'd like. Okay, so how we would want to do this is you can install this package into your app, but I don't want to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and use this script. But how we do it, the process for doing it will be the same. Okay, so I'm just going to take this and drop it in our app.blade.php. Okay, and we'll just put it right above our main JS file. Okay. And the next thing we want to do is go back to Sweet Alert. And we are going to look for the toast notifications. So toast, and let's see, it's not this one. We'll go down, 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 down. Okay, it's this one. So let's go ahead and try this. We're gonna make this global toast notification. So we're just going to grab that piece of code. We're going to go ahead into our JS app.js file. Okay, and right under, let's see, we'll put it under view use, portal view. We'll put that under there. Okay, so to get this working correctly, the first thing we need to do is change this constant or remove this constant, and then it'll be window.toast, and now we'll be able to use it all throughout the app. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that and see what it looks like. The first one we'll do will be, let's try components, friend status. Okay, and we need to grab this right here because that's what's going to fire. Copy, and then for the add friend method, we'll be able to go ahead and put that right in this on success. So open that up, paste, and move that over. And so since we're sending a friend request, we'll just change this title to friend request sent. Okay, now the icon is just the check mark. If you click the try me, it'll show you right up here. This is the success. Oh, it's a green check mark. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll also add this code to, I'll add the link to this page in the description so you guys can go and take a look at it. Okay, so let's see. So now we can refresh our page, and this should work okay now. So add friend. And there it is. So we want to remove that little progress bar, and we're also going to want to bring this down a bit. And as you can see, it also disappears. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go back to, we can close app.blade. We don't need that anymore. Open up app.js. And then, so it's a toast position is top end, show confirmation button false. I think I want to change this timer. Let's just change it to 2000, 2 seconds. And then timer progress bar will be false. And then this is just the function for the timer to make it open and close. Okay, so now in order to bring it down a bit, we actually have to customize the style. So I'm going to open up app layouts, and we're going to go ahead and slide down. At the bottom of this is going to make the actual styling for this global. Okay, style. And then we need to add the actual style. Oh, I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in since I already have it. Okay, so this is how you would change basically what you can't change within the actual notification. Some things you can't really customize, but this is how you would do it. You would have to actually go into it and pull out the class name. So it'll be on the body class, and these are the classes that are on it. These are SweetAlert classes. Okay, and we're just bringing it down 60 pixels. Now I just want to make sure that it's now going to be pushed down. It'll be 60 pixels from the top, and also that progress bar is gone. So we'll go back to the database and just delete that relationship so we can test it out. Okay, delete, and then we'll come back here, we'll refresh, and then we'll try it again. So add friend, and now it's been pushed down and the progress bar is gone, and then it closes right up. Okay, so let's go ahead and start adding these in the other components that we have that we'll need this for. But first, let's grab it from here. So this one, we're done with the app layout. We can grab this, as this is our event. And then we also need it down here for the delete friend. So paste success friend or friend has been deleted or removed. Okay, and now we can go to the accept, and the function is accept friend. Add it here. Okay, and then we can change this to successfully where's my U? Successfully accepted request. Okay, and bring that in, and then we need to also add it in our ignore function. So we'll go into the component, we'll go down to the method, again paste, move this over, friend request successfully ignored. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this out. Why don't we change this to we'll just change the requester and the user requested. Okay, so now this will be 1, and this one will be 7. This way we can have access to the other buttons. Okay, so now we'll refresh. And now we can accept, there's our message, successfully accepted request. And now if that one works, then the ignore should also work. And then let's try it on the unfriend just to be sure. Okay, friend has been removed. Fantastic. Okay, so we're done with this part of it. I'm gonna go ahead, push this code up to GitHub, and I'll also link to the SweetAlert webpage in the description. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.